if you want money to choose you instead of you chasing money, grab a note of any currency. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make money connect with you. We've all been told to manifest more money, but if deep down you're feeling a disconnection with money, it's not going to come very often and it's not going to stay very often. So today we are going to rebuild our relationship with money, one sentence at a time. We're going to look into this. If you're new here, my name is Kartika Nair. I help people create harmony in all areas of their life using mindfulness, law of attraction, self-esteem work, and alignment. Before we begin, I'd like you to type in the chat, what is the very first thought that comes to your mind when you think of money? Be very honest, type it in the chat right now. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a note. It could be any note in your wallet. Just take it out. We're going to hold it like this. So take it out now. Hold it in your hands. Take a deep breath with me. And slow exhale. And you're going to ask the question, what do I want money to feel about me? What do I want money to feel about me? Now I'm going to show you what I have written over here to give you an example. So I learned this exercise from Carol Tuttle's work a decade plus ago, and I've always done this stuff. So today I want to share with you. So this is what I've written on my note. So it says here, I love to come to her in all currencies. Abundance is her birthright, so I give it to her openly. On the other side, I have written, I love coming to her every day. I love supporting her endlessly. I love her so much. I've also put in the center, me and Kartika are a blessed pair, and I love showering large sums on her from multiple sources every day. Now here's important information. It may not be legal in your country to deface a note like this by writing all over it. So here are a couple of options. The first thing is so I've taken a note that I'm never going to use. This is a symbol of my financial abundance. It's not something I will use and go and give in a shop. So this is a symbol. That's why I'm keeping it this way. An alternative is you can take a sheet of paper which looks similar to a similar size, so we can put it in our wallet. The sheet of paper also represents your finances. Your financial abundance represents money. You can write on the sheet of paper as well what money thinks about you, and then put this back in your wallet. So I'm going to give you a few seconds now to write out a few thoughts. It doesn't have to be so many that like I have written. It could be just a few thoughts, maybe 2 or 3 thoughts that money has about you that you can write on your paper or on your note. I'll give a few examples on the screen. Go ahead and write that now. Good. Now that you have written this, now that you're a welcome home for money, I want you to take this money, okay, or whether it's the sheet of paper or the money, whichever you used, I want you to take this and I want you to believe for a moment that this is a living, breathing entity, a friend, an actual friend, a living, breathing entity, a friend, and I want you to place this living, breathing friend on your heart. Take a deep breath in, slow exhale, and speak to this friend by saying, thank you for choosing me. And feel this connection and love with your friend. One more time, take a deep breath in, slow exhale. Thank you for choosing me. And now at this point, your body, your nervous system should feel slightly different about money than before this video. So what are we going to do now? We are going to put this back into our wallet. Now every day you might open your wallet, or every couple of days you might open your wallet. When you do open your wallet, for whatever reason, you're paying something or you're using your credit card, you will see that the top line of your note, or if it's the sheet of paper, the top line is still visible to you. So you can then read that line as and when you can, whenever you open and you see it, read that line. Why? Because every time you do that, it reinforces your relationship with money, this friendship that you have. It's no longer focused on fearing the lack of money. Now your energy, your patterns are moving towards appreciating this friendship with money. What happens is when you show up, because it's not mindset, it is energy, it's a friendship, it's a relationship. When you show up in focus of money, money begins to show up in focus of you, because whatever relationship you show up for in this form, in this kind of pure energy, this is also going to show up pure energy, not mismatched, misaligned, low vibration, upset energy, pure loving energy. This is going to show up for you as well in pure loving energy. I'd like you to post in the comment section what you wrote, what is some of the lines that you wrote on money, because I'd love to see which is the line that has the strongest radiance, the strongest emotional signature. I want to read those lines and I want to pin those for people, so when they go through this video, they have all those options that they can use for their video as well. So go ahead for their exercise as well. Go ahead and write that down in the comments. And of course, about aligning, I'm doing a class on how to align energetically to all areas of life, including your health, including money, including career success, self-esteem, feeling good in your body, healing emotional trauma. I'm doing a free class. It's called How to Change Your Life in Less Than 6 months, without 5 a.m. routines, without forcing yourself to be positive. If that's something for you, find out more information below. I'm going to walk you through my entire methodology. You can start applying it immediately as you study the class. It's a free class. Come find out more information below. And with that, I hope your nervous system is feeling better. I hope you're feeling a deeper connection to money and a friendship. Hold this with you dearly. This represents something important, and I wish you all the love, all the abundance. And remember, money already wants to connect to you, because you are energy and money is also energy. I love you and namaste. If something in this video touched you, opened you up, an energy you connected to, I'd love for you to hit subscribe on this channel, because we can become a family, a community, and also share this with other people who you feel would benefit from such a money connection. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, I appreciate you, and namaste.